After checking your creatinine value with a creatinine meter, you may wonder, how can this value be used to estimate your eGFR? Your creatinine reading is one of the key values used for eGFR estimation. However, eGFR is not directly measured by the creatinine meter. Instead, it is calculated using your creatinine value together with your age and sex. To estimate your eGFR, you can use the MedAsia eGFR calculator. You can find the calculator link in the description and the pinned comment below. Simply enter your creatinine value, age, and sex into the calculator. For example, if your creatinine reading is 1 mg per deciliter, and you are 60 years old and male, enter these details into the calculator. Then click Calculate. The tool will provide your estimated eGFR value. The process is simple. Check your creatinine value with a creatinine meter, enter your information into the MedAsia eGFR calculator. Get your estimated eGFR value. Understanding how creatinine connects with eGFR can help you better understand your kidney-related values. If you want to learn more about at-home health checks and how to understand your readings, subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.